everyone, welcome to Aldo. On today's video I have another shop with me vlog. So my daughter and I are going to Target, and there is my daughter. So this is going to be a mother-daughter day out. So my daughter and I are going to Target. Woohoo! And we are wearing our matching mask, and she's wearing the skirt I made for her the other day. You want some stickers? Hey, more lemons for my
Hello.
This is sweet. Yeah, we're just getting some of this. And can you get 4 of these? Put it in the cart. What else do you want to look here? Is there something you want to look at here? You want to look at the school stuff? Let's look at the birthday
Birthday what?
birthday celebration section.
Balloon.
9
balloon.
Number 9 balloon. They have this color, and they also have a gold one.
Oh, this one.
You want this rose gold? Okay.
This.
You want it rose gold for your theme? Okay.
And these napkins. You can put it in the car.
So you like these?
Yeah. Take it off.
So that's it?
So,
Do you wanna? What else do you wanna do? Yeah, I can hold the camera for you so you can look around. Okay, so we are at the birthday section and my girl is picking up some stuff that we can use for her birthday. Her birthday is coming. Oh, look! Have you seen this? What are these?
Lip gloss.
Are these the glosses? These are so cute.
I already got that last time over.
That one is open. I don't think that's a lip gloss. You know what? We can make our own piñata. Look, Sha, did you see this? Pens. You probably only need one. Oh, this will be funny.
Can I get one?
Like this? How much is that? I think we can get one and then you and Abby can share. Are these pencil or pen?
Pen.
Okay, so you guys can get one each, right?
3.
Yeah, 3 each. Yeah. Hey guys, I am back from Target not too long ago. So now I am going to share the items that we bought today. So I have one bag. I didn't get a lot, and plus these are like super random. So the first thing I got, so a lot of stuff here are actually from dollar section in Target, which is called Bullseye's Playground, I believe. So anyway, enough of that fancy name. It's just a dollar section in Target. Yeah, $5, $3, and $1. So the first thing that I got is a birthday card. So this is going to be for my niece. Her birthday is coming soon, so I had to pick up a card. And then I also got some stickers. So these are like cute stickers for the kids, you know. So yes, so I got them some cute stickers. I actually got 2 of these. So they each got their own sticker book. So these are $1 each. And then since my daughter's birthday is coming pretty soon, we decided to pick up some decoration as well. So we couldn't find a happy birthday banner, but I think I have one laying around somewhere in the house. I just have to find it. But anyway, I also got this celebrate banner, and it's really cute. And yeah, so this is going to be for my daughter's birthday coming soon. We also got some cute paper plates. Love that. Very cute. And we also got some cute table napkins, also $1. And we got this happy birthday headband, which I thought it's a little expensive for $3, but you know, my daughter likes it, so yeah. And then another one is a number 9 balloon. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that my youngest is turning 9 next month. So yeah, oh my gosh, time flies. But anyway, that's that. And this is in rose gold. So that's that. Got these puff party pens. My daughter liked this one, so yeah, so she liked it and she's going to share it with her big sister. So these are adorable, and I think these are $8, so $1 each. So yeah, that's fine with me because it's super cute and they can use it for school, so not a bad deal. Plus it is super adorable, perfect for their new school desk. So yeah. And the last items I got here are just basically personal hygiene care. So random, right? So I got like a bunch of these. I got plenty, so I don't have to keep on going back to the store. So those are my stuff today. I know it's just so random, but it's actually nice that my youngest daughter and I was able to go to Target and have some mommy and daughter time together. I think it's fun. She had so much fun. We're only at the store for like an hour, and I was planning to go to TJ Maxx, but the weather is not cooperating. It was raining really hard, so we decided to just head home because we don't want to get caught in the storm. So yeah, so those are the random stuff that I picked up today, and I hope you like this shop with me at Target today. This is so much fun. My daughter really loved vlogging in the store. So that's why if the clips are a little shaky, please, I apologize. Just because it was my 9-year-old doing the vlog, I wasn't able to put it on the cart just because she wants to hold the camera. So I let her do it and she had fun, and that's all that matters. So anyway, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you like this Shop With Me vlog at Target. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!